Hawkeye and Jeannie as they continue their journey visiting many cities, communities, and towns in California. Witness how these communities are dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and their struggle to escape the economic crush and reopen their doors for business. Currently Hawkeye and Jeannie are traveling northbound on California Highway 1. Please be sure to click the subscribe button to be notified of future episodes. Please click the thumb up icon. I am Delmer, the announcer. In episode 5, they drive through San Simeon. Visit the bull elephant seal's habitat and meet Mo, a seagull in Gorda.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
And then go up and see if we can't find that the Cambria Pines and come down that road.
Okay.
Look at all the people walking here. Garcetti would flip a wig. He was mom, you know, and we just weren't behaving right. The employees, who knew?
Well,
that's a fucking lot.
yeah, I can see it if they were under normal circumstances.
Our psychiatry, we only had like 13, maybe 15 employees.
We've been having fun.
Yeah. I guess what I'm kind of looking at is to see if there's a campground down here. I thought there was a privately owned one. Wow, that was weird. That bird cast a pretty big shadow. That's Ocean Point Ranch. Hey, it's just a camping set. I thought maybe there might be a campground. This is all closed, look. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that's too bad. I thought maybe, just maybe.
Okay, which way you want to go?
What do you want to do?
Flexible.
Not flexible.
Wanted to get a picture of
Okay.
Cody and Hearst Castle.
Okay, let's go. Let's go find some zebras.
Okay.
This is the great saying the doctors like to say when they're teaching their students.
Yeah.
If you hear hoofbeats, don't look for zebras. It's like, don't go looking for the exotic disease. It's probably something like measles or mumps, you know. Usually, but not always. If you hear hoofbeats, don't look for zebras.
Simeon State Park all closed up.
Oh man, that would be a great place to camp. I would like camping there, and then we could walk down here. And they might be open Fridays, you know? I'm looking for bitters too. I was watching Rachel Ray. Her husband's a bartender, I guess, because he was showing how to make the old fashions. And if you use hummingbird food, he calls it sugar water. I call it hummingbird food. Where are we going now?
We're not going to drive through the town of San Simeon.
Yeah.
Since the camera's working.
Our most precious resource, water.
It's kind of weird being next to the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, they don't have a saline processing plant.
Sunset Grill.
What?
Don Henley did a song called Sunset Grill.
Oh, yeah. I remember that one.
It's a good song.
It was a good song, yeah.
Big Sur restaurant's all closed up. This place is all closed up.
They're having you make reservations over there just so they probably know if they need to stay open.
Yeah, there's a liquor store and a mini there?
Sure, it looks like he has a little attitude. Because when you see him, it's kind of last second.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at that big windsurfer out there.
Yeah.
Do you think 60 miles an hour?
No. No, I was maybe doing 20 at tops.
No way. Look how
It's
fast.
whatever the wind speed is.
Plus, well, the wind speed, you're right. It's wind speed.
Yeah, okay. Now I'm wondering if he's able to guide it, or he just has to go where it takes him.
Right now, look.
Yeah.
He's turning.
Oh, okay.
He's a pro. Even if he crashes and burning, he's a pro. Oh my God, it's cool up there. Look at, he's coming southbound.
Yeah, it's like he's going against the wind right now.
But he's fast.
Okay, just for reference, this is the Capitola Fisherman Wharf's Pier.
Oh, right up and over.
Get a little better view of it. We're staying at, what's the name of this place? Capitola Inn on the beach at Capitola. Central California. Nah, Northern's north of Frisco and Sacramento.
Wow. That's pretty awesome.
This park's closed.
Yeah, I think.
Let's get a picture of you and Cody by the side.
Okay. Trip when you're traveling, you know, you don't know how far you're going to want to go. And if you make a reservation, then you're tied into it and you're kind of like pressured, you got to get here and this is where you're staying. Whereas if you don't have it, you don't know where you're going to stay, but you're free to ramble.
Yeah.
Reservation. There's a lot of times when I thought I wish I hadn't made one because now I'm either got to get there or going to pay for it. But then it doesn't secure your place for the night.
Okay, here we are in Gorda. If you don't speak the lingo, that means fat chick. Gorda Springs Resort. That's her number and stuff right there. Yeah. All right, you know, this is a beautiful place. This is not where you want to buy gas. Check this out. Cash only. $6.59. $7. And I guess the good stuff's $7.40 there.
Check this dog out. He had a mouthful of sticks.
Probably don't. How you doing?
Would you like to meet my bear?
Want to meet Cody?
Probably run off with it.
Hey.
Bird friendly, huh?
No, he's sticking his butt in my face. Hey, how you doing?
Yes, please.
Hey, bird.
Did you like it?
He swallowed it whole.
Was that kind of dry? Did you like it?
And he'll regurgitate it up in the ocean, wetting it, swallow it. Doing great. Mo's doing all right too. Got your picture there, Mo.
Oh.
I don't think Mo likes to. Well, I can get it.
All right, guys, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay, so you guys ready?
Absolutely.
Okay, our next guy